Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom. Today we have a good one. Now we want to talk about the Eksa AI powered wireless headset. Now usually what I do, guys, I go to the unboxing table and we'll unbox it. But since we're already here in the bathroom, guys, let's go ahead and just open it up right here. It's small enough to open it up to get some first impressions. And the first thing I see is that it have a traveling case. And I believe the correct pronunciation is Eksa. We also have inside of the box this little divider right here. Have this cushion right here. All right. You have the user manual at the bottom of the box. I'm about to drop the box. Best place to have your user manual right here in the bathroom. And they have look like some type of warning or whatever. So more special information for you to have. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the workbench and give you a close up and show you some of the functions. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we want to have a closer look. These are the items that was inside of the box that I did not show. So you have this little dongle right here where you can connect it to a PC, and you can see that it's USB-A to USB-C to charge it. The headset itself, the cushion feels pretty good. It's very light on your head, so you can keep it on your head for extended periods of time. Right here is your power button. You press and you hold that and it goes into pairing mode, and you have volume down, volume up, and of course you can turn your mic on and off right here. So pretty nice design, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you listen to a short call of me and my friend, and I'm gonna jump back and give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, now if you want to hear how it actually sound, I did a live wearing the headset. So if you want to hear the actual mic, I'm gonna link that video below, because I know there's a lot of audiophiles that really want to hear the quality of the microphone. That way you can hear it. Matter of fact, here's a little piece of how it sounds right now. My plan was on editing the video, but as you can see, I got. So there you have it. Like I said, you want to hear more, link below. I'm better than my iPhone because something wrong with the headset of my iPhone, man. This is the 13 or the 12 or whatever. But I got the 14 coming anyway. But I don't know if I just got to adjust the volume or something. But my iPhone been real low. But they feel good, man. High sound. High sound. Yeah, sound better than. Hold on, let me see if I can pop it off. So pop it off here and put it on speaker. High sound?
You got a little louder just now.
Oh, that because I put it on speaker. I took it off the headset.
Oh, all right.
But it's everything sound all right?
Yeah, it sound all right. Calvin be sounding muffled when we be using it.
I'm gonna pop it back on the headset. But yeah, man, I said no. I have hit took it off the speaker, put it back on the headset. But yeah, man, they feel pretty good. They light, you know, they comfortable. I don't know, style. It's not for style, bro. But definitely, bro, if I gotta be using my hands all day, this is it right here. But truckers and stuff like that, man, very, very, very good. You can definitely walk around this on your head all day. As you seen, I brought mine to the gym and tried them out. It's definitely a head turner, right? But if you're a trucker, you definitely need something like this. Hey, it's your boy, Tech Review from the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, man, awesome piece of work. And for the price, you can't beat it. All the information in the description below.